下哈。So would you please turn to page 172? So on the top of page 172, let's have a look at explore more 哈 solar system。来，我们看到这个部分哈，来，这个应该是同学非常了解的哈，就是说，我们讲说行星嘛，对不对？来这个部分哈，我们看一下这个 preview。You are hear the names of these planets in the video in order of their distance from the sun, starting with the closest planet. Match the planets from 1 to 8 with their names from A to H. 来，我们先看一下，来，这个是什么？来 ，Mercury， 好，这是最近的哈 ，Mercury， 我们讲说怎么样？来，水星嘛，哈，这个是最接近的哈。来，依序下来，第二个是什么？来 ，the second one，Venus， Venus， 好，金星，哈，这些同学要知道哈。来，第三个是什么呢？来 ，Earth， 好，就我们现在所居住的这个叫什么呀？地球嘛，来，第四个，来，应该是什么 ？Mars， 就是怎么样？就火星嘛，哈。来，第五个 question number，OK， 第五个哈，应该是什么 ？Jupiter， 我们讲说怎么样？木星嘛，哈。来下一个哈，来 next one， 来 F， Saturn， 土星，土星。来下一个，来，这应该是什么呀 ？Uranus， 好，来最后一个是什么呀？是 Neptune， Neptune， OK， 刚刚我老师讲的这个部分，来就是说从1到8这个部分，那我们因为这个就是说我们这个制作这个关系，所以那个6、7、8这个部分就把它卡掉，所以它没有在这个上面，那可能就麻烦各位同学看一下你的 textbook 上面是有完整的，好不好？好，来，那我们来看一下下个部分，So let's move on to section B. Summarize. Watch the video, solar system, then complete the summary below using the correct form of words from the box. 2 words are extra. 所以同样的来 similarly by the same token， 来下面总共有怎么样总共有怎么样？有12个单字这12个单字里面怎么样？有2个字是多余的所以这个地方就要同学怎么样 ？OK, watch the video. 来，我们看一下这个video clip 好不好？这个 solar system。The
Milky Way galaxy, home to our solar system. It is believed our solar system formed at least 4.5 billion years ago, when a huge cloud of dust and gas collapsed into a dense mass. That mass began to rotate and flatten into a disk. Over time, the center grew hotter and hotter until finally a new star, our sun, was born. Leftover dust and gases continued to circle the sun and, over millions of years, cohered to form the planets and moons that make up our solar system. The sun is the center and foundation of our solar system. Its gravity holds everything together. It is so massive, it accounts for 99% of all the solar system's mass. The closest planet to the sun is Mercury, a relatively small planet known for extreme temperatures, above 400 degrees Celsius in the day and minus 150 degrees at night. Next is Venus, which is nearly identical to the Earth in terms of size, mass, and density. Its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, a gas that traps the sun's heat and raises the surface temperature to nearly 480 degrees Celsius. The planet is surrounded by clouds of sulfuric acid. The third planet is Earth, an active planet that's constantly engaged in change. More than 70% of its surface is covered by water. Earth is filled with life, something that so far has been found nowhere else. Just beyond Earth lies Mars, a dry planet with distinctive geographic features including red soil, canyons 4 times deeper than the Grand Canyon, and polar ice. Between Mars and the next planet is the asteroid belt. This is made up of millions of rocky fragments, most no more than a kilometer across. The 5th planet from the Sun is by far the largest. Jupiter, a gaseous giant big enough to hold over 1,300 Earths. Its great red spot alone, an awesome hurricane-like storm, is twice as wide as Earth. Saturn, the 2nd largest planet, is next. It is famous for its massive rings of ice and ice-covered particles. 7th from the Sun is Uranus, an intriguing planet which rotates on its side. It too has rings and at least 27 moons. Neptune, the 8th planet, is perhaps the windiest place in the solar system, with winds of over 1,200 miles per hour. Neptune marks the end of the planets, but not the end of the solar system. Farther on is former planet Pluto, more than 7 billion kilometers, 4.5 billion miles from the Sun. Pluto's small size posed a dilemma to astronomers, and in 2006 it was reclassified as a dwarf planet. As spectacular and diverse as our solar system is, it's just one in a galaxy of billions of stars, in a universe comprised of billions of galaxies.
OK， 好，来我们看一下这个部分。好，来，同学看完这个影片之后呢，来我们看一下第一题，同学填的是什么呢？来，这边提到说怎么样 ？Scientists believe that our solar system formed 4.5 billion years ago, according to the following scenario 哈 ，scenario 哈，啊，就背景或场景哈。来 ，First, the huge cloud of dust and gas that forms the 应该是 foundation 哈，基础哈 of our solar system 哈。来，接下来我们看一下第三格，来 over millions of years。OK, the remaining dust and gases， 来，这应该选哪一个？来，应该选 cohered， 好 ，cohered， 好 ，to form planets and moons， 它是什么样？有连续的，一连串的，好，它是什么样？完整的，好不好？就是它是有什么连贯性的啦，啊，那老师刚刚讲过，它的形容词叫什么？叫做 coherent， 好 ，coherent。那 cohere 是它的什么样？动词哈。好，来 ，question number 4， so whose 好来 traps the sun's heat and raises the surface。OK, temperature to nearly 480 degrees Celsius。来，这大家应该选什么样 ？Atmosphere， 哈 ，atmosphere 哈，来，就是我们讲这个大气层哈，这个大气哈。来 ，so the third planet is Earth, an active planet that is constantly engaged in change 哈。来，第6格来，啊，我们这边提到说什么 ？Jupiter 哈 ，its great red spot is 应该是怎么样 ？It's an awesome 哈，来 storm 哈。好，就 amazing 哈，就是这不可思议的 incredible 哈。来，第7格，来，这个 Uranus，a planet which is intriguing 哈 ，means interesting 哈。好，来第8格，来 ，farther on it is Pluto 哈 ，which was 应该是怎么样呢？来 ，formerly 哈，之前被 considered planet 啊 ，formerly 哈就 means previously。好，来 ，question number 8，Pluto's small size poses a rather difficult来 dilemma 好，它引起了什么？导致了一个什么样？就是说，相当困难的这样的一个困境哈。对于什么 astronomers 啊，就所谓这个天文学家哈，来，所以这 dilemma 好 means predicament 哈，就是困境哈，困境哈，进退两难哈，困境哈。